Hi, it's Katie, and I have my May Beauty Army box. Oops, that's upside down. And inside this outer covering, here's the actual box. This one's pink. And it has the pink camo on the inside. And for those that don't know what Beauty Army is, it is a subscription service that you can choose up to six samples out of about 9 choices that they give you, and it's $12 a month, and you can let them choose the samples if you don't want to choose them or just be surprised. And I think you can skip months. So it comes this little card. It says "Hello, gorgeous." And let's see what I chose. So the first thing in here is by Juice Beauty, Green Apple Age Defy Moisturizer. Ooh, it's a lot. I just got it on my nose. It doesn't really smell like green apple, but maybe it's made with green apples. I don't know. Then we have Miracle Skin Transformer Acne Control Tinted Acne Treatment Lotion. This is a very small sample. Not real happy with that. Because when you do choose your samples, you don't know exactly how big they're going to be when they get them to you. So this one seems like a decent size of a sample. It is Cool Way, the Low Heat Revolution Transform Styling Spray. Delivers long-lasting, shiny, silky smooth results with blow drying. Allows flat ironing hair at under $2.99 with no heat damage. I usually flat iron my hair at like $3.70, so I don't know about that. But I can still try it. Then we have number 7, Lift and Luminate Day and Night Serum. Triple action to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, visibly lift even skin tone. So they have the day serum and the night serum in here, and again, kind of small samples. Then we have the Eslor, The Art of Beauty. We have, it says, it's the Eslor Introductory Collection. Hydrate, Protect, Treat. There's the Soothing Refiner and Cleanser, Replenishing Scrub, Comforting Mask, and Soothing Cream. So there's 4 little packets about this size in here. I don't think I even showed you the package. There's the package. And then the 4 pouches. And then the final thing in my box is L'Oreal Total Repair Extreme. Reconstructing shampoo, reconstructing conditioner, and emergency recovery mask. So 3 little samples of that. So let me know what you got in your Beauty Army box if you get it. If you're interested in getting this subscription, I will leave the information below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. and comment and subscribe, and I will see you again later. Thanks. Bye.